So I'm having an interesting issue with this robot vacuum. It really insists on cleaning this entire playmat area. I don't want it to clean the playmat area. I want it to just leave us alone and work on the rest of the entire house. But when I pick up the robot vacuum to move it somewhere else, it comes right back to this playmat area so that it can finish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up and I'll show you what happens. But basically I've got plenty of dirty stuff over here for it to work on picking up. And when I set it down, it's going to require that I press this button to reactivate it, this power button.
Resume cleaning.
But what it's going to do is it is going to disregard all of this dirty area on the floor, and it's going to go right back to the playmat, and it's going to try and clean the playmat. So I'm recording this video largely to ask, what can you do if you want to tell your robot vacuum to disregard a certain area of your floor, in this case a playmat area with lots of toys on it, and focus on some other part of your house? I'm gonna let this play out so you can see the behavior of the robot. It is smart. I mean, it knows to go right back where it left off, but as a user, I don't understand how I can tell it what I want it to clean and what I don't want it to clean. You'll see it literally find its way right back to where it was. Now, by the way, my baby's actually doing okay with the robot vacuum, but I don't want her to be alarmed by it, and I don't want it trying to swallow up her toys. And I don't want it getting stuck here. Interesting, so this time it is satisfied to kind of be over here. The last time I picked it up, it literally went right back to where I had left it and just resumed that immediately. But you'll see that it definitely is programmed to kind of continue cleaning what it had in mind rather than clean the new area where I place it. And it's already trying to leap up on that playmat. It doesn't know that I don't want it to clean the playmat.